Holding baby Gracie. Holding her like a little baby in my palm of my hand. She's so little. I love her so much. That little face. That little hands crossed. You gotta enjoy them while they're small. The time goes by quick. My Gracie. Look at her mama jumping up here. Nala. Nala. I'm sorry, Nala. I had to get your baby. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, little feet. Oh, these little feet. Oh, feet about as big as my thumb. Well, my thumb's bigger than her feet. Oh, I love you, Gracie. Oh, she waved. She about to go to sleep. Oh, little kitten about to go to sleep in my arms. Oh. You guys got to get a cat or a dog or a puppy. Life is way better when you got animals and pets. I love her.